What is 121.9243 rounded to the nearest thousandth? Let's write that number out again so it's nice and big. And we are being asked to round this guy to the nearest thousandth. Well, when you're asked to round a decimal, what you need to do is find the place value that they want you to round it to and circle that number. So starting from the decimal, you have your tenth, your hundredth, and here 4 is your thousandth. Now you look at the number directly to the right of it and follow these rules. 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 or below, let it go. 3 is 4 or below, so we're going to let the number that we circled 4 go and don't change anything. Now when you round, all of the numbers directly to the left don't change. So 121 is going to drop down, the decimal is going to drop down, the 9 is going to drop down, the 2 is going to drop down. Any number to the right of a decimal, you don't need to write out. Now, some teachers might write out 0 and then cross it out and say, that's not needed. But at the end of the day, you end up with 121 and 924 thousandths. And that's your answer.